We are Mike and Leanna of the Dry Campers.
We travel the country upfitting RVs with lithium and solar systems.
We know a lot of you have been following us for a long time and you have patiently been waiting and excited for our journey and for a lot of things going on with us. So
what have we been up to?
Well, we've been working on some new processes and a new website.
We're excited about this, but why?
Well, stay tuned and find out. You'll find a complete new layout on this one. You will find more information in general, more information about us, more information about our projects, which we do have more to come, so stay tuned for that. And our new process. And oh yeah, what else?
Our schedule.
Yep, you heard that correctly. We have finally opened up our schedule, but don't leave this video just yet. There's lots of information that you need to know. So go check our schedule out, see if you are gonna be on our route or if you can meet us on our 22 route. But also, we actually have just a couple of 21 openings available. So be sure to check those out. If you're gonna be in the area, definitely let us know. But be sure that you review that process because it's very important. And this is going to streamline our business, so be sure to do that. So what you'll do is you'll go check out the inquiry form, which starts with scheduling a call with this guy. So you'll set up your time zone, set up your scheduled time to talk with him, complete the inquiry form with all of the questions, and then this guy will give you a call, and then maybe you'll get on our schedule.
Pretty exciting.
Yeah, super exciting. We have actually been working on this for several months now, and we know that there are a lot of you that have been very patient, and we very much appreciate it. We know that there have been people who have reached out to us by cold calling or emailing or whatever the situation might be. But be sure that you go through this process. So be sure to go check out our new website. And if you have any questions, you can definitely put those in the comments below. But otherwise, we look forward to hearing from you, and we will see you guys on the next video.
Yeah. See you guys.